Nature is like an endless masterpiece, constantly painting miracles that immerse us in an unceasing journey of discovery. Bird nests, with their unique beauty and stories, resemble the enchanting melodies of angels in the sky. With boundless passion, we've cherished and appreciated every contribution from you through the film 10 Most Unique and Extraordinary Bird Nests in the World. These heartfelt sharings have ignited a flame of inspiration, driving us to delve deeper into the colorful world of birds. Today, Farmers Discover is excited to present a fresh perspective, where the finest wonders of nature have been selected to tell the story of 8 most magnificent bird nests. These nests are not just marvels of nature but also living proofs of the extraordinary creativity of the architects of the natural world. Their remarkable craftsmanship serves as a great inspiration for humans to learn from and to design their own masterpieces. Join us on this magical journey to uncover the 8 bird nests of extraordinary architects and let your heart once again be moved by the unspeakable beauty of nature. Number 1. The Nest of Weaver Birds. Did you know that these tiny birds are nature's master engineers, capable of creating complex nests akin to luxurious apartment complexes? Weaver birds don't just build nests to live in, they create genuine masterpieces. Their hanging nests, intricately woven from grass, straw, and leaves, are a testament to their extraordinary craftsmanship. A single large nest can house hundreds of smaller nests within, resembling a miniature airborne city. These structures aren't just shelters, they integrate natural ventilation technology to regulate internal temperatures, protecting chicks from harsh climates. How do they build their nests? Using their small yet highly agile beaks. Each blade of grass is tightly interwoven to form a sturdy structure that can withstand even strong winds. Their nests are typically suspended from high branches, safely out of reach of predators. What's most remarkable is their communal construction style, where hundreds of birds work together to create awe-inspiring works of nature. Observing a weaver bird nest leaves one amazed at their teamwork and strategic thinking. These constructions are more than just homes, they're symbols of unity, creativity, and extraordinary adaptability. Can you imagine how such small birds manage to build such intricate structures in just a few weeks? The nest of a weaver bird is truly a natural wonder that inspires awe. Number 2. The Nest of Bowerbird. If weaver birds are skilled engineers, Bowerbird are nature's ultimate artists. They don't just build nests, they turn them into stunning art installations. Male bowerbird are the lead designers, constructing nests from sticks arranged into an arch or narrow walkway. The fascinating part, however, is how they decorate their nests. They collect anything shiny or colorful, shells, pebbles, flowers, and even human-made items like bottle caps, bits of plastic, and golf balls. Each nest is a unique creation, reflecting the personality of the male bird. Some even arrange items by size or color, creating mesmerizing visual effects. All of this serves one purpose: to impress the female birds. Interestingly, female bowerbird inspect multiple nests before choosing a mate, favoring only the most creative and distinctive nests. This raises a curious question: how do such small creatures possess such refined aesthetic taste? In fact, some nests are so beautifully arranged that even humans could learn from their color and layout techniques. What's more, bowerbird continuously improve their nests, adding new decorations to keep them attractive. Their nests aren't just homes, they're stages to showcase talent, creativity, and a bit of ambition to win in the competition for love. Number 3. The Nest of Swiftlets. Deep in dark, mysterious caves, swiftlets turn a simple act into something extraordinary. They build nests using their own saliva. It might sound strange, but their saliva contains special proteins that, when dried, form sturdy, glue-like structures. These small, white nests are carefully attached to vertical cave walls, places where predators rarely dare to venture. It's astonishing that these nests are not only safe havens but also hold immense cultural and economic value for humans. Swiftlet nests are the primary ingredient for the luxurious and highly prized bird's nest soup, considered a delicacy in many cultures. This has made the nests a sought-after commodity. Even though harvesting them can be a risky task, involving climbing sheer cliffs, for the swiftlets themselves, these nests are marvels of engineering. Built in such inaccessible locations, they provide protection for eggs and maintain a stable temperature and humidity for the chicks. It's incredible to think that such small birds can create such valuable constructions from something as simple as saliva. Number 4. The nest of bank swallows. Rather than building nests in trees or cliffs, bank swallows take a surprising approach. They dig their nests into soft riverbanks, creating deep, winding tunnels. Seeing a colony of bank swallows at work feels like standing before an underground city, where each nest is a tiny apartment perfectly protected from the outside world. Each bird digs a tunnel approximately 50 to 100 centimeters deep, with an entrance just large enough to keep predators at bay. Fascinatingly, these birds don't just dig in isolation, they usually form colonies, creating entire neighborhoods along steep dirt walls. Some colonies can consist of hundreds or even thousands of entrances. All designed for maximum safety and stability, bank swallows are a testament to adaptability. Digging nests underground not only protects their eggs from predators but also keeps the interior cool during hot summer days. Standing in front of a dirt wall teeming with swallow nests, you can't help but marvel at the strength and determination of these tiny creatures. They don't just build nests, they create a hidden world that is both fascinating and ingenious. Number 5. The nest of flamingos. You might expect the elegant flamingo to nest in trees or high places, but their nesting habits are a delightful surprise. Flamingos build their nests on the ground, typically in muddy areas. Their nests are simple yet unique, a mound of mud about 30 to 50 centimeters high, with a slight depression at the top to hold their eggs. Building with mud helps protect their eggs from flooding and small predators. Watching a group of flamingos busily constructing their nests is a captivating sight. Using their long legs and beaks, they scoop up mud and carefully shape it into a nest. Though the process is labor-intensive, the entire flock often works together, creating a mud city with dozens or even hundreds of nests. What's amazing is how these mud nests help regulate temperature, keeping the eggs warm at night and cool during the day. Flamingos are not only skilled builders but also excellent collaborators. They often lay and hatch eggs simultaneously, increasing the survival rate of their chicks. A colony of flamingos on a mudflat with their distinctive nests is a living testament to teamwork and ingenuity. Number 6. The nest of woodpeckers. Have you ever wondered why the rhythmic tapping on a tree trunk is the hallmark of a woodpecker? That's because these fascinating birds are tirelessly working on their homes. Unlike most birds, woodpeckers don't gather materials to build nests. Instead, they carve out cavities directly into tree trunks using their beaks. These cavities, often perfectly round, are typically 30 to 50 centimeters deep, providing a safe haven for their eggs and chicks, well protected from predators and harsh weather. What's most intriguing is how woodpeckers select their nesting sites. They don't just peck at any tree, they prefer softer or hollowed-out trees, which make the work easier. Dead or decaying trees are ideal since they're easier to carve and provide natural insulation to keep their young warm. Some species even reuse their old nests for shelter during winter. Carving a nest isn't an easy task. A single woodpecker may tap thousands of times a day to complete its work. While it might seem exhausting, for them, it's also a way of marking territory and attracting a mate. Each nest is a testament to their persistence and energy. Simple yet functional, woodpecker nests are works of art born from tireless effort. Number 7. The nest of bald eagles. When it comes to grandiose nests, none can rival those of the bald eagle, the national symbol of the United States. These nests are not only enormous but also embody the power and majesty of these apex predators. Called eyries, bald eagle nests are usually built high up in trees or on rocky cliffs, giving them a commanding view of their territory. With an average diameter of 1.5 to 2.5 meters and a weight that can reach up to a ton, bald eagle nests are engineering marvels. They are constructed from large sticks, moss, and even soil, resulting in a highly durable structure. Bald eagles reuse the same nests year after year, adding more materials each time. Which is why their nests grow larger over time. The process of building a nest is a remarkable display of cooperation, as both the male and female eagle work together. These nests are not just shelters but fortresses, safe from predators and the elements. With their high vantage points and sturdy build, bald eagle nests are nearly impregnable. Standing before such a colossal nest, one can't help but admire the intelligence, persistence, and architectural skill of these magnificent birds. Bald eagle nests are not just homes, they're monuments to the splendor of nature. Number 8. The nest of ospreys. The nest of the osprey is a breathtaking marvel of size and resilience. This bird of prey often chooses high, open locations such as the tops of power poles, tall trees, or rocky outcroppings near water to construct its nest. From afar, you can easily spot an osprey nest by its enormous size. It can be up to 2 meters in diameter and nearly 1 meter tall. Remarkably, these nests aren't built just once. Ospreys add materials every breeding season, making the nests larger and larger over time. The materials they use are incredibly diverse, ranging from large sticks and seaweed to roots and even plastic debris they come across. This showcases not only their ingenuity but also their ability to adapt to the modern world. Ospreys usually build their nests near water, where they can easily hunt fish, their primary food source. Seeing an osprey nest is an awe-inspiring experience. Their nests aren't just homes but fortresses, high above the ground and sturdily built to withstand the elements. Moreover, ospreys are known for their lifelong pair bonds, and these gigantic nests symbolize their enduring commitment to each other. Each osprey nest is a monument to dedication, resilience, and natural craftsmanship.